Hey guys, Jess Brown here, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a custom thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So the first thing we want to do is go to PicMonkey.com, and then what we're going to want to do is edit a photo, and that of course takes me to my computer file where I have a bunch of backgrounds saved, and then you can just select the one that you want. And I'm going to go with this green background. Now that the image is pulled up in PicMonkey, the first thing you're going to want to do is resize it. And then uncheck Keep Proportions. And in the first box, type in 1280. And in the second box, 720. And now they will be the right proportion for the YouTube thumbnail. The next thing we want to do is add in the text that we want to have on the thumbnail. That would probably be the title of your video. And as you can see, there's many different fonts to choose from. Depending on whether you have the paid or free version, you'll get more fonts if you have the paid version. But there are still plenty of fonts to choose from with the free version. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this Lobster 2 font and then add text. And the title of this video is going to be Overcoming Fear in Your Business. And then we're going to want to make it nice and big so it can be easily read from YouTube. And what's nice about having a thumbnail is you don't have a picture of yourself with your mouth open or in some awkward position. It'll have a nice image with the title of your video, and to me it just looks a lot more professional and well put together. It just gives it a nice finished look. So as I said, we're going to want to resize this to something that's pretty large. And I just usually pull it right over the edge. And then I center it. And I could probably even make it a little bit bigger. And that's how it looks, but I think I'm going to take it a step further and add a little bit more customization by changing the color of the font. We'll see how that looks. And that's not totally easy to read, so I'm going to try again. And that looks pretty good. It stands out, and I think it would probably get people's attention if they were to click on one of the tags that I have for this video, if they were looking to get over their fear in their business. So there are other things you can do to maybe make it even more interesting, and you can click on this thing that looks like a waffle, which shows you the different textures that you can add to your image. And I don't know that I'm going to keep any of these. I just want to show you some of the different things that you can do. It'll make these different backgrounds. That one's kind of cool, or even that one. I might stick with that one. That's kind of neat. They're all it gives it just a different effect. It still has the green background, but each time you change it, it just gives it a little bit different effect. So I think I'm going to stick with that one. And there's other things that there's different themes that you can try. There's just a lot you can do with PicMonkey. But for now, I think I'm just going to stick with this. So then you'll want to save it to your computer. I'll just call it Fear. Save it to my desktop so it can easily be found. And then I want to go to my YouTube channel where I have this video pulled up. And as you can see here, here's my selections for the different thumbnails that I can choose from. So here, I'm looking down. This one, I just kind of have a goofy look on my face. And this one, I don't know, I don't like the way I look. So, or you can have this one right here where I'm in the middle of saying something, which just looks really weird to me. So here you just click on this custom thumbnail button, and there is my image that I created for the thumbnail. And then you just click open, and there it is. And then just click Save Changes. Now it should be saved. So if I were to go back to my video manager, it should show up with the new thumbnail. So there it is. And this concludes my tutorial video. I hope this has been helpful to you and that you'll use PicMonkey to create easy images for your thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Thanks for listening, guys. Bye.